What if I told you there is a platform where you can discover blockchain games, complete simple tasks, collect points, participate in airdrops, and even earn rewards? But here's the important question. Is Play-to-Earn actually worth your time? Or is this just another crypto rewards website? Today I'm going to test and review Play-to-Earn based on what is currently available on their official website and official X account. I'll show you how it works, how you can earn, what I like, what I don't like, and most importantly, whether I think it's worth joining. And if you decide to try it, I've put my referral affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. So watch until the end before you decide. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, because I regularly test crypto earning platforms, mining apps, airdrops, and Web3 projects, so you don't have to waste your time on questionable platforms. So, what exactly is Play-to-Earn? Play-to-Earn is positioned as an information and rewards platform focused on blockchain games, crypto gaming, NFTs, rewards, and Web3 opportunities. When you visit the official website, you can find sections for blockchain games, rewards, news, airdrops, gaming tokens, and more. The platform currently has a large database of blockchain games, with filters for things like blockchain, genre, device, status, NFTs, and play-to-earn categories. So this isn't simply a website where you click a button and supposedly mine cryptocurrency. It's more like a Web3 gaming and rewards hub. And that's one of the first things I like about it. Instead of having everything scattered across different websites, Play-to-Earn tries to bring many of these opportunities into one platform. Now let's get to the part everybody wants to know. How can you actually earn? The official Reward Center currently offers several types of activities. For example, there are daily rewards, where you can log in and collect points. There are also tasks involving social media engagement, including X, Twitter tasks. The Reward Center also lists games and other offers where users can complete activities in exchange for potential rewards. And this is important. Don't confuse points with guaranteed cash. Points are part of the platform's reward system, but you should always check the current redemption rules and terms before assuming that a particular number of points equals a specific amount of money. The website currently shows a reward redemption system and also promotes opportunities to earn USD-related rewards. My advice is, treat the points as rewards with potential value, not as guaranteed income. Another interesting section is the airdrops area. This is particularly interesting for people who follow crypto airdrops. The platform regularly features campaigns and community activities, including play-to-earn related points campaigns. And this is where the opportunity becomes interesting. If you're already participating in crypto airdrops, following Web3 projects and completing social tasks, you may find Play-to-Earn useful, because you can potentially discover multiple opportunities from one platform. However, remember something very important. An airdrop is not the same thing as guaranteed profit. Before spending hours completing tasks, always check. Is there an official announcement? Are the rewards clearly explained? Are there withdrawal or redemption conditions? And most importantly, never connect your wallet or sign a transaction that you don't understand. This is actually one of my favorite features of Play-to-Earn. The website has a large blockchain gaming database. You can browse games based on categories such as action, adventure, mining, MMORPG, strategy, sports, simulation, and many others. You can also filter games according to blockchain, device, development status, and whether they involve crypto or NFTs. The platform also has a Play-to-Earn score, which is designed to help users compare games. For example, you can find games ranging from projects in development and alpha stages to live games. For someone interested in Web3 gaming, this can save a lot of research time. Instead of searching Google and X for hours trying to find blockchain games, you can start your research directly from Play-to-Earn. Play-to-Earn also tracks gaming-related crypto tokens. Their gaming token section currently lists hundreds of tokens connected to blockchain games and provides information such as prices, performance, and Play-to-Earn related scores. Again, this doesn't mean the platform is telling you what you should buy. And you should never treat an automated score or recommendation as financial advice. But as a research tool, I think this section can be useful. You can discover a game, check its token, and then do additional research before making any decision. So let's talk about the advantages. Number 1, variety. There are games, rewards, tasks, airdrops, tokens, and Web3 information all in one place. Number 2, free opportunities. A lot of the activities don't require you to immediately spend money. Number 3, discovery. If you're constantly looking for new blockchain games and crypto opportunities, the platform can save you research time. Number 4, multiple ways to participate. You're not restricted to one earning mechanism. You can collect points, complete tasks, explore games, and follow Web3 opportunities. And finally, Play2Earn has an affiliate program, which creates another potential way for creators and users to benefit from referring others. The official website links directly to its affiliate program. But let's be honest, there are also some disadvantages. First, the rewards are not guaranteed income. Your earnings can depend on available tasks, campaigns, eligibility, and redemption conditions. Second, some opportunities may require you to spend considerable time completing tasks for relatively small rewards. Third, the crypto and Web3 gaming space is highly speculative. A game can disappear, a token can lose value, an airdrop can change its rules, and a project can fail. So don't deposit money simply because you found something listed on Play2Earn. Use the platform as a research and discovery tool, and always do your own due diligence. So after looking at what Play2Earn currently offers, what's my verdict? I would not describe Play2Earn as a guaranteed money-making platform. Instead, I see it as a Web3 discovery, gaming, and rewards platform. If you already enjoy blockchain games, airdrops, crypto rewards, and Web3 research, I think it's worth checking out. The biggest value for me is the combination of games, plus rewards, plus airdrops, plus crypto information, plus community activities. But remember, free does not mean risk-free. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose, and never connect your wallet to something you haven't verified. Now, if you want to try Play2Earn yourself, don't search for random links on Google. I've placed the official Play2Earn link and my referral affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Use my link to join if you decide to register. And here's something I really appreciate. After you register, don't just leave. Come back to this video and comment, "Joined." I want to know how many people from this community are actually testing Play2Earn. And if you want me to make a step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to register, collect points, complete tasks, participate in it, airdrops, and withdraw rewards, hit the like button. If this video reaches 500 likes, I'll make the complete tutorial. And if you're interested in crypto mining apps, airdrops, Web3 projects, Play2Earn games, and legitimate ways to explore crypto opportunities, subscribe to this channel right now. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next opportunity I test. Don't invest blindly. Research first.